Hey guys, what's up? DirectXgameR here for World of Windows on my Logitech G15 keyboard review. I just picked this up for about $35 from a friend of mine. He sold it to me because he has his G19 now. So I picked up his G15. To start, it's a very, very reliable keyboard. I'll be sort of mispronouncing words here. I'm having trouble somehow. I'm tired. I guess that's to blame. But this is the G15 version 2. I'm sorry I can't really get a good camera angle at this time. Again, I still have a crappy camera, so. All the keys are illuminated orange. You have a button up here that will turn your keys on and off. Actually, no, that's the mute button. This is the one right here. None, low, high. And I'll go ahead and turn off the light real quick so you guys can see. So, the nice thing about having illuminated lights is in the dark like now, when you only have a monitor to light you up here in this little tiny area, you have each of your keys that are illuminated. And these come in very, very handy when you need them. And like I said, they do turn off when you don't need them. So you have, on the side here, you have, it only says 6, but you have 18 customizable keys. And I will turn on the light again to show you guys how this works. So, when you have 18 keys here, you have, they're called the G keys. And I'll just fold this down real quick. Yes, this is the pad, by the way. It comes with the keyboard in the box. This is just the regular, how it looks, just normal, and this is the pad. So the pad is a nice addition. I recommend having the pad on because it's a lot softer on your wrist. As you can see here, you have 6 G keys, but you also have an M1, M2, M3. I believe that means macro 1, macro 2, macro 3, I believe. So anyways, how you program them is, you would hit this blue button right here. I'm having a hard time getting into camera angle, so stay with me here, guys. You would hit this button, and it would say quick macro, assign a G key. So what you would do is say you want shift to be G6. So you hit G6, shift, and then you'd push the MR button again, and then the macro would be recorded. If you want the Windows key to be recorded, say you want one, if you want it on set 3, you would hit, first of all, there's this button here which is really nice. It turns the Windows keys on and off. So when you're gaming, you don't hit that stubborn Windows key down here. So that's really nice. So to activate it, you just slide it to the left. And if you want, say, a gamer's key to be a Windows key, you would hit, again, the macro button. It would say assign a macro. You would hit, say, G6, and then you hit the window key, and then you hit G6, or MR again. And then it'll say quick macro recorded. So now, when I hit G6, I gotta get my camera down here, it would pull up the Windows menu. This is hitting G6, by the way. And that's how the macros work. Now, the drivers here, I'll pull them up. I know you guys can't really see this. I would do this in Fraps, but for sake of time, they're very solid. You get this nice manager here, and I'll tell you every single program that's on. And the nice thing about it is pretty much a lot of programs are compatible with it. You got at least 20 off the top of my head I can name. I know you guys don't want me to name 20 of them. You guys just want to see the keyboard, which is alright with me. So at the top here, you have your basic standard media keys. You have your volume up, volume down, play, pause. You have 4 keys to when you're in an applet, they call them. You can switch through. You hit this little button here to access the applets that you have running. Logitech already has, I believe, 5 or 6 of them. But you can also have like an RSS reader. You can have a profile selector for all your games. This would activate the G keys. You have just a lot of different selections with this keyboard, and it's very, very nice. So, as for the media keys, on the back you have 2 USBs, and this Microsoft mouse that I have is plugged in. You guys say, what mouse do you have? I think it's like the Windows Explorer 2000 or something like that. Do not get this mouse. That being said, again, Logitech keys. You have your standard keys. Just standard regular keys. You have, it's all illuminated, so G15 is illuminated, your mute key, your Windows key, pretty much covers it. If you guys want to see where the thing connects, it comes off like this. And all you have to do, I believe, is just slide it on and push. And it locks in just like that. So, there you go. Now, there is one thing I wanted to show you, and it's for Winamp. It's called WVS. There's also one called Raise Plugin. My mouse isn't connected here. It's called Raise Plugin, and what it is, Raise Plugin and WVS do the exact same thing. But what it is I'll just let you guys see. It's very, very neat. The thing is, I can't really play music though because I know the copyright people will get all mad. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off the light real quick. And I apologize again for the bad, very, very bad camera angle and view here. But as if I click play or something on a random song, the volume's off, but here we go. The reason I had the volume off is because copyright issues. Again, I'll be hammered for that if I have them on. But every key lights up and beats with the music. You have your quick macro key that lights up. This is pretty much, I forgot what they call it, but yeah, but anyways, it beats to the music. It'll tell you what's playing. If you have fraps open, so it pretty much tells you all this. Tell you who made it. Gives you a little nice screensaver. Tells you what date it is, gives you a calendar, that's convenient, Fraps is not on. Tells you your CPU, your memory, your page file. A lot of things go on with this, like I said. Now I'm just going to stop using Winamp here, and as you I close the program, it'll stop, it'll close. And it'll go to the last thing I had open. Now, I'm going to open up something called EVGA Precision, which will tell me when I open this up, if I click yes, when I open this up, it'll say something, yeah, it'll just do that. But it'll tell me my core temps, pretty much my GPU, or if I had it selected, my GPU, CPU, my memory, how much I'm using, and that's about it in a nutshell. If you guys want anything more in detail, just go to my website. I'll have a link, www.directxgamer.weebly.com. If you guys want to go in more in depth on certain things, if you want to make a video request, it's all there on the website. Go ahead and check it out. Make a video request. Don't be shy. Again, that's it for the G15. Very nice keyboard. Recommend it to anybody who can afford it. It's usually $84 brand new. You can find them on eBay brand new, going bidding for 20 bucks. I recommend going to eBay. If you can't buy one from eBay, go to Tiger Direct. They have the lowest price, guarantee it, unless you go off some stupid website like buy.com, which gives you a whole bunch of false retailers. So there you go, guys. Review of the Logitech G15. Again, I'll hold the keyboard up so you can see all the nice, beautiful lit, illuminated keys. Orange. There's no other color. The G19 does have colors. The reason why I didn't get a G19 is because the drivers aren't as stable. So, again, with that being said, there it is. Make a video request if you guys want. And that's it for this video, guys. See ya.